Hey guys, it's Small Tech Studios here with another video. I know it's been a little while, but I just want to show you guys. This video is about how you can get Steam games for free on your computer in 2020. Yeah, it's technically December, but it will be 2020 soon, so I'm pretty sure this method will work by then. So there's a certain website. I've tried it out multiple times. I have not gotten any viruses from it. Now, I might be a little skeptical about how you get it. It's actually an open source website. So it's like, I don't know, like it's from a website. It's basically called Steam Unlocked. It takes you to an open source website, and that's where you get your download. You have to skip some things though, so there's going to be like ads that pop up. Just don't go to those. I'll show you how. So, for example, I've gotten games like The Sims, Octopath Traveler, it all works. So let's just go to the website, Steam Unlocked. So, Steam Unlocked, just waiting for it to load, is you can get any Steam games and you can get more games than just Steam games. It's pretty cool. I actually got some games from it, so I'll post the URL in the description below, but basically, you just choose the game you want. So let's say we're getting a small game, just making it for time consistency. We're getting Undertale, right? So you just want to click on Undertale, and then you're going to go to the download link. Just press block for that if you get that. Now it's going to bring you to an entirely different website. Don't fall for this. Click it again, and it should bring you to Upload Haven, which is basically the open source website I was talking about earlier. Just wait for a little bit, and it's probably going to take you to another website. Once again, click on X and skip that, because that just gives you viruses. I can guarantee you that. First time I ever used it, it screwed me over, like, seriously. So once your game is downloaded, you're just going to click, you're going to click Open, and it's going to lead you to a file, alright? So the file, if you have any complications, you should actually read How to Run Game. So you just go to the folder, the Undertale folder, scroll down, look for Undertale, ex.exe. So you're just going to go down to where it says exe or whatever the folder tells you, and it should work. I think this is it for me. If you get an extract, just do it. Depends on the speed of your computer. It might be short or long. That's why I chose a pretty small file game. So you just have to extract it usually. If you click on the exe or whatever you want to call it, you just want to usually extract it to the same folder. So that way it's moving. It's technically moving to this all the files and everything to the same folder. So now that you have it, you should be able to go to your Undertale. You should just go to the same thing. Just let it run its course. Alright, once you have it, you just want to go down to the bottom. You want to click on Undertale like we just did. And it should be working. It works like a gem, see? And see, that's my tutorial on how you can get any Steam game on your PC in 2020. Please subscribe, like the video if you really want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.